Hello everybody, I am Dr. Shailesh Rajendra Singhi. I am a senior consultant hematologist and bone marrow transplant physician currently practicing based at Krishna Institute of Medical Sciences, that is KIMS, Kondapur, Gachibowli. This is a awareness campaign that we would like to share with you all. The important problem that we are discussing today is about anemia. Now, what is anemia? Anemia is a condition in which you will find there is low hemoglobin or low red blood cells in your body. You might be suffering with frequent breathlessness when you climb stairs, or lightheadedness or frequent headache. Children might be having decreased scholastic performance. Women might be having excessive bleeding in their monthly cycles leading to low hemoglobin. There are lot of people who will be having frequent blood loss from their nose, gums, or when they pass stools in the morning, leading to decrease in hemoglobin. Lot of times children or few women will have this urge of eating clay, rice, or raw mud or raw ice. We call it as pica. This is not a problem or this is not a disease. This is just a situation. Sometimes you may have easy fatigability. You may feel tired when you come home after work. You may find that your skin is looking white or pale or yellowish. Now these are all few symptoms of low hemoglobin. There might be many more related with low hemoglobin. This is not a disease. This is a situation which can be corrected if we investigate it in time and take proper treatment. In India, almost 40 to 50% of Indian population is having low hemoglobin. Most of them are children of school going age group and women of childbearing age group. This is a situation because of dietary factors, because of frequent blood loss, because of worm infestations and many more causes. As I said, this is not a disease, this is a situation which can be corrected, and we all have a vision of anemia free India. We need to make our country anemia free. So you need to consult your doctor, your physician or a hematologist for timely investigations and timely treatment for your problem. Many a times we see that because of low hemoglobin or because of anemia in children and women, we'll end up in taking iron tablets or multivitamin tablets, thinking that the hemoglobin will improve. Most of you will have improvement, but low hemoglobin is not always iron deficiency or a vitamin deficiency condition. There may be some other reason for your low hemoglobin. Lot of kidney related problems, lot of gastro, that is stomach related, liver related problems can also present as low hemoglobin. As I said, low hemoglobin or anemia is not a disease. It is not a final diagnosis. It is a symptom or it is a warning sign of underlying problem. Very few elderly patients may be having this as their first manifestation of malignancy. They may have first problem of low hemoglobin showing in their reports as underlying liver problem, as underlying problem with their gastrointestinal tract, with stomach. Sometimes low hemoglobin may be a warning sign of underlying different problems of kidneys. So a timely investigation, consulting your doctor, physician or a hematologist will lead to correct timely diagnosis of your low hemoglobin problem and timely treatment, timely investigations will give you a healthy life. We all pray that you have a healthy lifestyle, you all have a healthy lifetime future. Thank you all.